How to fix set time and date grayed out on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like you are unable to set date and time automatic on your iPhone. So let's get started. As you can see from the date and time section, I'm not able to turn off this set automatic from your date and time. To solve this issue, you'll have to back from here and from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on screen time. From screen time, you'll have to scroll down and find out the options like share across devices. As you'll have to just turn off this option from here. Simply tap and toggle it off. And from here, confirm with your screen time password. After you turn off share across devices, you'll have to back from here and after you check that option on date and time section, you'll be able to find that option easily on your iPhone. Like as you can see, I'm able to turn off or turn on this set automatic for my iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.